If you're someone that finds when it's really hot weather, or a bit like me that is going through hormonal changes and gets really hot flushes throughout the day, then look no further than this Fit Cover foundation. It has been designed for people that sweat and have hot flushes. It gives you just enough coverage to still look beautifully natural, allow your skin to breathe, all whilst working brilliantly with sweat. So I filled a bottle full of water to mimic kind of sweaty skin, and I'm going to spray this over my face right now so you can see how the foundation handles kind of sweaty skin. So let's give this a little dry. So my skin is now dry and my foundation looks no different. And I feel confident that this foundation has given me just enough coverage to keep me looking my very best, and it's going to keep looking my very best all whilst I sweat and get busy throughout the day.